we just think about how much we're helping out and, taking care of this community that lost everything. It feels good to be able to help when there's so much loss.
Kilo, 44 got to us.
Kind of blows my mind that entire structures, there's a lot of buildings here that are probably like 2 or 3 stories high, and they're just they're leveled. In the wake of the ditch fire, we come in and we lay down some silt socks, some wattles.
I'd never heard of a silt sock. There's a lot of things I've never heard before the CCC. It's like a mulch, like a wood mulch. It's a lot heavier. It's easier to lay them down.
Placing them in front of drainage, stopping material and all that other stuff from going inside the drain.
We're trying to mitigate the amount of chemicals that go into the water supply.
They help filter out the different toxins.
We've gotten into the flow of things. We've got a nice rhythm.
We're at, I think, a little over 3,000 feet.
So yeah, it makes me happy to see all that and how much we've done already. And I can't wait to do more. All the years I grew up, I lived in Paradise until it burned down.
My family and my whole community was affected by the Camp Fire, and Concow was completely flattened. And I decided after that I wanted to be a part of the solution.
Seeing all this brings back awful memories. Me and my brother and my sister were there to fight the fire during the campfire.
Everybody I knew lost everything. And that's why it means so much to me, is because I've seen it firsthand. And so helping out with other people who are struggling just makes it worthwhile.
Being able to help this community really motivates me and really makes me feel like a good person.
Getting out here and being able to actually like do something, it feels good.
Definitely a support system helps. And we are part of that support system. So we're fully prepared to just keep doing this for the remainder of the year if we have to.